First, the top headlines. Rahul Gandhi appeals Prime Minister Modi to visit Manipur amid ongoing crisis. Congress MPs in collusion with Kuki militants trying to break Manipur, Susindro. Students of DMU launch relay hunger strike. House of Kuki in Pijuribam secretary burned down. Security forces arrest 3 Kuki militants from Hangzhou village today. Bringing you the top stories at latest news at this hour. Now the news in detail. Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition party, concluded his visit to Manipur today, where he highlighted the severe challenges faced by the state's residents and appealed Prime Minister Narendra Modi to personally assess the situation. Expressing deep concern over the prolonged crisis in Manipur, Rahul Gandhi made his third visit to the conflict-ridden state, emphasizing the urgent need for attention and intervention. During his visit, he interacted with displaced individuals from various communities, aiming to understand their plight firsthand. The visit began in Juribam, a region recently affected by renewed tensions after a year of relative calm. Rahul Gandhi met with representatives of both communities to grasp the underlying issues and impact on local populations. From there, he traveled to Silchar before heading to Imphal, where he immediately proceeded to Churachandpur. In Churachandpur, he interacted with displaced people, then came to Bishnupur district, where he also interacted with displaced people. Subsequently, he held a crucial meeting with Manipur Governor Anusua Uke, alongside Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, Chief Secretary Binay Joshi, and senior Congress leaders including Okram Ibo Bishin, Kaisa Megachandra Singh, and Gai Khangam. Addressing the media at Congress Bhawan yesterday, Rahul Gandhi appealed directly to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a visit. Manipur continues to suffer greatly and the people of the state are yearning to be heard, he stated. The Prime Minister's visit would not only demonstrate solidarity but also foster confidence among the people. It is imperative for him to come and witness firsthand the challenges faced by Manipur, a proud state of the Indian Union. Rahul Gandhi left Imphal for Delhi this morning.
तीसरी बार है, 1 साल पहले आया था, फिर भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में आया और अब आया हूं। मैंने सोचा था कि ग्राउंड पे काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, मगर दुख की बात है कि वो इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ। कैंप्स में मैं कम्युनिटी से मिला, उनके दिल की बात सुनी, दर्द आंखों से देखा, सुना, और मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूं कि नफरत और हिंसा से आगे कोई रास्ता नहीं बनेगा। मोहब्बत से, भाईचारे से, रिस्पेक्ट से सॉल्यूशन निकल सकती है, बातचीत से सॉल्यूशन निकल सकती है। मैं राजनीतिक बात करने नहीं आया हूं। गवर्नर से हमारी बात हुई, हमने उनको बताया कि देखिए, जो भी हम कर सकते हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी कर सकती है, मैं कर सकता हूं, हम करने के लिए तैयार हैं, मगर हम खुश नहीं हैं। जो प्रोग्रेस हुई है उससे हम खुश नहीं हैं।
PHED Minister El Susindro Singh has said that the newly elected Congress MPs, in collusion with Myanmar's Kuki militants under suspension of operation, are trying to break Manipur. The minister, during a press meet held today, said that before Lok Sabha election, he pointed out that statements to break Manipur are included in the manifesto of Congress. Now it becomes true. In the last paragraph of the memorandum submitted by the ITLF to Rahul Gandhi yesterday, it was mentioned that it is right time to convert the points included in the manifesto of Congress into action. This indicates that the newly elected Congress MPs, in collusion with Kuki militants under SHU, are trying to break Manipur. The ITLF is demanding a separate administration from Manipur. He added that the Congress party is escalating the conflict between Meitei and Kuki community, which started since May 3 last year. The speech of Prime Minister Modi cannot end the prevailing conflict. However, the BJP will make efforts to resolve the conflict relentlessly. BJP Manipur Pradesh, under the leadership of Chief Minister Biren Singh, is trying to implement the NRC in the state. The government of Manipur has already withdrawn from the suspension of operation agreement with the Kuki militants, he added.
Manipur maduma dolduna Kuki ga amasung Kuki haiga Kuki loin monate Kuki gi adu Manipur thugaini na haiba kamu du dai ga saminariba dol congress ya deisa akoi leijariba praja chamjarba praja singche makoina aranba propaganda mayam torokanda aranba Sige news ke sumba haibetare publicity social publicity ki khudong chaba sing je loga masigi kano sing si torokanda false propaganda sing torokanda na sidi praja sing moi de vote pigi ba aduga nasina Manipur thugaina na bugi chap chaba adu ba ngarang gi ITLF ki memorandum da yaure aduna masi kari dogduri ge haibese masi meyam promona khoi khanmin na ba matam laib aduna congress na Taugadava Tavok Singh, Tauradava Tavok Singh, Mayama, Mamanda Haibangame, Makoi Masindagi, Congress Matam the me heart Kidena. A coin the record lane 2000 Kaya, Moy Matam the Paye, Adugi Matam the Haki with me Masinkano. Madugi the Mata, government is a prosecution sanction, Peter Pomatamda, Madu Mayam, Win no idea, Kariginova. A coin Jati, some Hadalaga, some Mutalaga Lucian Jabra. Kuki matam da su to gi kai no hoji honorable khoi MP anina hoji masi pakhum pi bada ka le ba contact to bada na khoi phone phangde pom to phone phangde the executive engineer gi khoi chief engineer ku thang da executive engineer gi ku thang da khoi na khoi da pau pi budi lei adu khoi da pau pong no dem trade adu masi pune mak se atai na nate su da sign to riba congress ka su da sign to no gi ba hogdoro da sign to Myanmar nationalists in dog. Adugi Kamu do not threaten over the Apoy Pau on the Nelo.
After a gap of few days, the Kuki militants attacked Meitei villages at Thokchom under Imphal West district last night. According to a source, some Kuki militants with heavy arms launched attack at Thokchom village at around 10 p.m. last night. They also used bombs to attack the Meitei villages located at Thokchom. The security forces who deploy at the area also retaliated the attack of Kuki militants. The village volunteers also retaliated the Kuki militants' attack. No report of casualty has been reported in the incident. The students of Dhanmanjuri University, under the initiative of Dhanmanjuri University Students Union, have launched relay hunger strike demanding replacement of VC and registrar of the university today at the gate of the university. The agitation will continue till their demands are fulfilled. In this regard, the president of the Dhanmanjuri University Students Union, Irom Dimocho, expressed that the DMU is deteriorating day by day due to the unfit of the Vice Chancellor and Registrar of the University. The semester examinations of the undergraduate and other PG of the university are unable to conduct in time. This resulted loss of years of the students. The students of the university have been facing many grievances for the last few years. He further said that the non-teaching staffs of the university are non-functioning. They should be replaced by regular ones at the earliest. The students' union had submitted memorandum to the concerned department, but no action has been taken up so far. The mark sheets of undergraduate examinations are not issued despite examinations were conducted and result also out. The students of the university worry about for not getting admission at other universities, he added.
Manipur University registration to phangdabagi phibam da leire hojik ato toba Manipur gi mapanda registration tawnabagi damakta myam satra myam yauri si singsi daita sina tanana pudorebo si singsi university khorpudagi full time oiba BC register na chingba hoi BC ozara rasmon mangda full time oina ma BC oina ma khatang leirami tawdu ma logi no mar kan regular oiba kanamta leite full time oiba leiram taragadi sori yu posi je mukhoini university full time oina thabok to thamma matung da karai da kari sori hawdo fajana mamu tana khangada baneba additional charge oina sinaraga moina sangba kan university sa labnina adudagi horaga ngasi satra singi smaina suwa ba dong thibje tabani haisageba hapri ko wa khoi gi satra singi apunbagi oina smaina khang charai hinje tawjaragani ha smaina haisageba governor desu akhoi sapsaba dum memorandum na ching pisan jai smaina regular oiba full time oiba BC register hade magi side gi su thabakta thuno thuna budi thajaba pini tawdo akhoi mo su yang clear oina dum thanjarami smaina hanjana jana kyara unare thabak othok rekam ni akhoi dum tawum tawrani ha gi state dum hajaram heta.
The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) has submitted a memorandum to plead to the Indian government, urging immediate action to address the ongoing crisis in Manipur. All the demand was met through a memorandum submitted to Rahul Gandhi. COCOMI emphasized the severity of the situation that has unfolded over the past 14 months, highlighting what it describes as one of the most unfortunate events in independent India's history. COCOMI underscored the severity of the crisis that has plagued Manipur for the past 14 months, labeling it as one of the most unfortunate events in independent India's history. The notice lamented the apparent neglect of Manipur's plight by the ruling government, despite fervent and frequent appeals from opposition members in parliament. COCOMI demanded a thorough and accurate assessment of the situation in Manipur, communicated transparently to the public and international community. They urged for an immediate deployment of central security forces to protect civilians and restore order in the affected areas, including adequate financial compensation for losses incurred by citizens during the crisis. Additionally, they urged for concrete steps to rebuild trust and confidence among Manipur's population and the government's commitment to their safety and well-being. Of particular concern was a recent statement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Rajya Sabha, where he allegedly mischaracterized the Manipur crisis as merely a communal or ethnic conflict between two groups. COCOMI expressed dismay over this portrayal, stating that such oversimplification undermines the true nature of the multifaceted issues at hand. COCOMI highlighted the critical absence of state authority and the elite's failure to deploy legitimate forces against what COCOMI terms Chin Kuki narco-terrorists operating in collusion with armed Kuki militants. This, according to COCOMI, has exacerbated tensions and led to a narrative of ethnic classes that mask the underlying security vacuum. The house of Kuki NP Secretary Jiribam Seizathang Khongsai, located at Faitol Khun, was burned down last night by unknown persons. In this regard, Seizathang Khongsai expressed that his house had been set on fire 2 times before. We want peace. Violence cannot bring any solution. Besides, his vehicles were also burnt down. He appealed to both Meitei and Kuki community located at Jiribam to restore peace at the area.
For the second time has been attempted to be burned. It is by 2:35 a.m. this morning. It is burned again. My scooty, my vehicle already burned down. I suffer a lot. Today also I would like to request to all the people of Manipur, especially Jiribam and the Menglong district, let peace be prevail. Why don't we fight for no cause? Let's love one another. Why enmity? For how much long will stay here on this earth. We have to love one another. We have to be together. That much I would like to say.
Today at around 4:30 a.m., a combined operation was conducted by CRPF, AR and state forces at New Kaithalmanbi area. Suspected 3 Kuki militants have been apprehended with 3 AK series weapons and other ammunitions at Hangjol village area under New Kaithalmanbi police station, Kangpokpi district. It is reported that Kuki ladies gathered at the area to stop the security forces and to disperse crowd. Security forces fired shells of tear gas. At least 3 Kuki women got injured due to tear gas shell firing. Security forces arrested 2 active members of the proscribed outfit Kangleipa Communist Party (KCP) Taibanganba group from near Dhaka Brickfield under Thokchom police station yesterday. The arrested individuals were identified as Wangjam Mukesh Singh alias Koba 41 of Bisnupur Ward number 1 and Thokchom Ajit Singh alias Commander 33 of Kakching Ningthau Laikai. The duo was intercepted while attempting to extort money from the general public. Security forces recovered 26 extortion demand letters of the KCP Taibanganba group, a Hyundai Accent car and 2 mobile phones with SIM cards from their possession. In a separate incident on the same day, Manipur police arrested Ngangom Berlin Maitei 27 at Imphal International Airport. Berlin Maitei was found in possession of 3 transparent plastic containers containing suspected ganja weighing approximately 2.31 kg, a mobile handset, an Aadhaar card, a PAN card, and a boarding pass for Indigo flight number 6E6807. On the other hand, security forces conducted comprehensive search operation and area domination exercises in the fringe and vulnerable regions of hill and valley districts, leading to significant recoveries of arms and explosives. In Tamenglong district, the forces unearthed a cache of weapons and materials in Fato village. The items recovered included 1 locally made 303 rifle, 2 single-barrel rifles, 1 12-bore locally made rifle, 2 country-made 32 mm pistols with 2 magazines, 7 Pompi bombs, 5 handmade explosive bombs, 5 vials of gunpowder, 5 detonators, 23 12-bore empty cartridges, 5 meters of safety fuse wire, 2 rifle slings, 6 walkie-talkie chargers, 3 bulletproof jackets, 2 iron plates for bulletproofing, 2 combat dresses, 1 loaded Pompi gun, 1 Motorola walkie-talkie, 2 helmets, 247 live rounds of ammunition. In Churchandpur district, 2 improvised Pompi bombs were recovered, highlighting the ongoing threat posed by homemade explosives. Now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibasing tha amagi manungda control toba ngamlei. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha amagi manungda hanthaba ngamlei. Khong hamba nungaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamlei. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamlei. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamlei. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oiba ngamlei. Fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagat hanba ngamlei. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laying jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makhata na hidak chabagi mathau su tararoi. Hena kupa parol gidamak ngasimak langsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jenims Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Fly High Aviation and Hospitality Institute, shaping the career professionally. Admission open for the aspiring candidates for cabin crew and ground staff. We provide you the platform to build your career in the aviation industry. Fly High Aviation and Hospitality Institute. Please visit our office at Ningthemcha Karong Hairangoithong West or connect with our contact number 841-580-9675 for the opportunity.
Gear up for the future with Quantum University. Write your success story with our new age programs that shall be amongst the top 3 most rewarding careers in India and across the globe in the next decade. One of the reasons why Quantum is a leading private university in India is these world-class partnerships, which makes it stand out among the rest.
Welcome back. Now moving on to the news. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma today outlined the state's distributed cancer care model, highlighting a 3-level approach to cancer treatment and diagnosis across the state. The model features an apex center, comprehensive cancer hospitals, and diagnostic and daycare centers. At the top of the hierarchy is the State Cancer Institute in Guwahati, which serves as the apex center for cancer care in Assam. Supporting this are 5 comprehensive cancer hospitals located in Dibrugarh, Barpeta, Silchar, Diphu, and Dhubri. These facilities provide extensive cancer care services to patients in the respective regions. To further extend cancer care services, the model includes 11 diagnostic and daycare centers spread across the state. These centers are located in Lakhimpur, Tezpur, Jorhat, Darang, Kokrajhar, Tinsukia, Sivasagar, Golaghat, Nagaon, Nalbari, and Golpara. They offer diagnostic services and daycare, bringing basic cancer care closer to patients in various districts. This tiered approach aims to improve access to cancer care services throughout Assam, providing a range of services from basic diagnostics to comprehensive treatment, depending on the level of the facility. In a significant breakthrough, Delhi police have apprehended 7 individuals, including a doctor, in connection with a major organ transplant racket that was exposed by the crime branch. The arrest made public today shed light on an intricate network operating across international borders. Deputy Commissioner of Police, Crime Branch Amit Goyal, revealed that the mastermind behind this illicit operation was a Bangladeshi national. 7 people have been arrested in connection with an international organ transplant racket. The mastermind of this racket was a Bangladeshi, Goyal told NE. Among those arrested is a key figure named Rachel, who was responsible for coordinating between patients and donors. A female doctor allegedly involved in performing the illegal transplants has also been detained. The police disclosed that both the donors and recipients in these cases were from Bangladesh. According to the police, the syndicate had established deep-rooted connections in Bangladesh and had been operational since 2019. They charged exorbitant fees ranging from Rs 25 to 30 lakhs for each transplant. They used to charge Rs 25 to 30 lakhs for each transplant. Both the donor and the receiver were from Bangladesh. They have been running the organ racket since 2019, the official stated. The heated argument unfolded between BJP leader Piyush Hazarika and the Congress of a leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's recent visit to flood relief camps in Assam. It all began when Hazarika, in a post on X, said, "I wish to clarify that Rahul Gandhi has not visited any flood relief camp or any flood-affected areas in Assam today." Members of the media are requested to kindly verify WhatsApp forwards, social media information, or propaganda before posting. Contrary to Hazarika's claims, Rahul Gandhi visited a flood relief camp at Fulartel in Kasar district earlier on July 8. During his visit, Gandhi expressed solidarity with the flood-affected people of Assam and emphasized his commitment to their welfare as their representative in parliament. He called upon the central government to provide swift and comprehensive assistance to the flood-ravaged state. Highlighting the severe impact of the floods, Gandhi stressed the need for a comprehensive and compassionate vision that includes relief, rehabilitation, and compensation. He also advocated for the establishment of a Pan-Northeast Water Management Authority to address long-term flood control measures. One of the two Myanmar nationals who escaped from Sarchip district prison have been recaptured by Mizoram police on Sunday night. According to officials from the prison department, London Nema 31, a resident of Thanglang, Myanmar, was recaptured near Vanchangte village after he met with an accident near a cliff and sustained minor injuries. It is worth mentioning that London Nema 31, a fellow convict, Lalchang Hima, 44, a resident of Lachen, Myanmar, escaped from Sarchip district prison on Saturday evening. They were rearrested on June 10, 2024 with a large number of AK-47 assault rifles. Officials have reported that the two inmates were playing volleyball in the afternoon, after which they escaped through the main jail entrance while they were returning their sports equipment in the storeroom. For ELITETV News channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and X for more information about the channel. And before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Rahul Gandhi appeals Prime Minister Modi to visit Manipur amid ongoing crisis. Congress MPs in collusion with Kuki militants trying to break Manipur, Susindro. Students of DMU launched relay hunger strike. House of Kuki in Pijuribam Secretary burnt down. Security forces arrest 3 Kuki militants from Hangjol village today. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching 6 PM ELITETV English News. Thank you for watching.